Welcome to a quick overview of the Doclio drawing and project collaboration platform. Just upload or link your drawings and project files, and then markup and annotate and share with anyone. Doclio is for anyone in design, construction, or property management looking to organize and collaborate on drawings and project files and keep everyone on the same page. Doclio also includes a powerful AI assistant so your team can get the information they need just by asking a question, and has a range of handy tools like a revision comparison, annotation and markup tools, easy approvals, a powerful report builder, and an email system to manage project communications. This is your dashboard. At a glance, you can see every open action across your projects, what's overdue, what's awaiting approval, and how many projects are on the go. Below that, your project list shows your projects, along with a live feed of recent activity across all your jobs. Let's jump into a project. The Drawings tab is where all your project documents live. Upload your drawings and any other files to sort them how you want. You can arrange documents by groups like architecture, structural, electrical, or whatever groups you like, and tag drawings for easy organization. Drawings are the main file type, but you can have any type of file, like an install manual, some progress photos, videos, and CAD files. Inside the drawing viewer, you get the drawing with any cross-references automatically highlighted, so you can easily navigate between drawings. You've also got a revision history and comparison tool, so you can easily compare two drawings and see what's changed. Annotations are where the real collaboration happens. Annotations are pinned directly onto drawings. We've got some shape tools, text notes, markups, and measurement tools. Once you choose a style, you can select the type. The default types are notes, queries, issues, and alerts, but you can change the name and colors to whatever works for you in the project settings, and use these as a template for future jobs. You can also create an approval using the approval tool, which is great for getting hold points signed off, or maybe getting selections approved. Adding feedback is fast. Click anywhere on the drawing to place a pin. Give it a title, choose the type, assign a team member, and set a due date if you want. You can also add photos or other attachments. No more emailing screenshots or PDFs back and forth. Once you have added some annotations to your drawings, you can get an overview of everything from the Actions tab. Here are all the actions. You can view actions across all projects or select a project. You've got some filters and sorting options so you can focus the list. You can also see who else can see the annotations, which is handy when you only want certain groups to see information. Or switch to Kanban view to track the status of the tasks. Drag an action to change the status, or click to open the drawing for more detail. Let's have a look at the Doclio Assistant. The Assistant is a game changer for how you and your team work with project information. The Assistant is available from any view by clicking on the button. Say your carpenter is on site and wants to know what cladding battens to use. The helper will search the project drawings and documents and provide the relevant information, or you might want to know what tasks are assigned to the team, like tell me the tasks the builder needs to finish this week. You can also ask it to do takeoffs, compare revisions, and general help in using the app. Your whole project team can access the assistant, but users can only get information from the documents they have access to. Once you have your drawings and notes set up, you can easily share your project or just a few drawings. Doclio offers unlimited users, so you don't need to worry about managing subscriptions for your team. Simply select the items you want to share, enter an email address, and send an invitation or copy a link to send out by email. You can easily control what information your other team members can see and do by using the roles feature through the project settings, and you can remove shared users at any time. If you don't want to share the full project, then Doclio Reports is a nice tool for sharing too. Let's have a look at reports. Reports are like a snapshot of your project. It's an easy way to provide information to your team. You can share a report to anyone with a link or download a PDF and send it out however you want. Reports can be live reports that update as things change, or can be a static report that won't change even if the drawings and notes change. Here's a report we created earlier. This report is just showing all open issues. We've got the drawing showing the location and the annotation details on the side. All this can be customized. Let's have a quick look at creating a report. You've got a bunch of standard report types like the defect report, request for information, and custom reports. You can also create a document transmission that will package up all your drawings with a document register. Select any notes and markups that you want to include in the report. The next step will automatically select the drawings that those notes appear on. You can then add or remove drawings and documents to include in the report. The next step gives you a variety of layout options. Switch between web and PDF view to see how the report will appear when printed. You can adjust page size, layout, column width, and image size. The report will also create a table of contents based on the drawings and any custom content you add. Reports can be used in a variety of ways, so try it out. The last module of Doclio is the email system. Emails work like any traditional email system where you add recipients, a subject, and some content. You can then embed any annotation, action, drawing, or report into the email, and receivers can respond to each item. This keeps all communication connected, so instead of having a bunch of questions going back and forth on email that nobody else can see, all project communication and history is available to your team. Every item has a unique address, so receivers can simply reply to an email without having to log into Doclio. This is just a quick overview of some of the features of Doclio, so jump into a trial today and test it out for yourself. Thanks, and welcome to Doclio.